This video guide demonstrates how to prepare and use Particle Measuring Systems MiniCapt Mobile to sample compressed gas. First, make sure you have all the compressed gas kit components as shown on the screen. The compressed gas kit is composed of a HEPA filter. A sterilized version is available from Particle Measuring Systems, a dual connection impactor head, a diffusion chamber including one pressure regulator and one solenoid valve. Next, connect the HEPA filter to the diffusion chamber's exhaust port. Then, remove the standard sampling impactor head and install the dedicated dual connector impactor head. Install the diffusion chamber on the top of the dual connection impactor head. Open the connector door located at the bottom left side of your MiniCapt Mobile microbial air sampler and connect the solenoid valve's activation cable. Tighten the screw for a more secure connection. Then, connect the clear pressure tubing to the pressure sensor port. Connect the compressed gas source to the MiniCapt Mobile inlet port and turn on the instrument. Make sure the compressed gas line pressure is appropriate and within the allowed range for the specific MiniCapt Mobile model you are using. Minimum and maximum pressure limits are listed in the MiniCapt Mobile Microbial Sampler Operations Manual. Navigate to the Pressure Settings menu as shown. Press the Pressure Settings button. The solenoid valve will automatically open, allowing gas to flow through the MiniCapt Mobile microbial sampler. Unscrew the locking nut on the pressure regulator. Use a screwdriver or similar tool to adjust the differential pressure as specified in your MiniCapt Mobile user manual. To aid in your calibration, the MiniCapt Mobile screen will show the differential pressure in Pascal units with different text colors indicating values inside and outside the acceptable range. Continue the adjustment until the value on the screen is white. After the pressure is adjusted, secure the pressure regulator by screwing the locking nut. Touch the X button on the MiniCapt screen to exit the gas pressure setting process. If necessary, perform the MiniCapt adjustments plate regulation as described in the user's manual to correctly set the slit inlet distance from the agar surface and maximize the microbial collection efficiency. Install the agar plate, configure the sample recipe, and run the compressed gas sample by checking the CGS mode checkbox on the main screen before pressing the start button. Smaller pressure adjustments may be necessary during the sample to compensate possible gas pressure fluctuation. In this next video guide, the process for disassembling the compressed gas kit for autoclaving purposes will be demonstrated. First, remove the HEPA filter from the diffusion chamber's exhaust port. Pre-sterilized and gamma-irradiated filters are available from Particle Measuring Systems. Disconnect the pressure control tubing and remove the solenoid valve actuator by unscrewing the locking nut. Separate the diffusion chamber from the dual connection impactor head before proceeding with the sanitization process. The diffusion chamber and dual connection impactor head are graded for autoclave temperatures. Allow any residual cleaner to evaporate before autoclaving. Thank you for watching this video guide. Refer to the MiniCapt Mobile Operations Manual for further information or contact your Particle Measuring Systems representative for any questions and support.